universe in all its wonder. Yet do you wonder about it? A ponderous task, true. But use that not as an excuse to ignore your, I won't say duty, your opportunity to engage with the universe which you are a part of in ways you haven't yet begun to understand. The insolence is amplified when you then make regular claims regarding it. Perhaps you're of those who believe in heaven. You probably know that your passage to its location is not as simple as taking a train from point A to point B. However, did you put some effort into solving the puzzle of where it lies, especially considering the great significance you attach to it? If a train leaves Little Rock departing at 3 a.m. going 82 miles an hour, and another departs the same station, idle, yet vanishing into oblivion, and arriving a day before, you haven't even begun. Have you stared into the bleak infinity with clenched fists, demanding to know who you are?
Simply can't trust everything that you see till you know the nature of reality. Things don't seem exactly how they be,
such as the nature of reality.
Searching for peace and tranquility. Find the true nature of reality.
Simply can't trust everything that you see till you know the nature of reality. Things never seem exactly how they be, such as the nature of reality. Searching for peace and tranquility. Find the true nature of reality.
Productivity. Is that not the stated goal? I guess I'd call your current predicament highly unproductive. I see you back on your feet. Best to keep the nose to the grindstone and keep your ass out of the kind of situations that get you back to using the old pecker for a kickstand again. Oh, come on. Where's the old sense of humor? Used to love a good old dick joke. Now the joke's that you're a dick. Constructive criticism, my friend. No, I like that. Christ, you can't ignore me. Painting the voices in the head routine? That's tired, old, cliche. Also, highly ineffective. Need a hint? I'm the razor blade, and your Halloween candy. I'm enough. Well, there he is. Ladies and gentlemen, allow him to introduce himself. His name. Enough. Only if, then, you plan to contribute to the conversation, because if my talking disturbs you, I do not find deterrence in anything you have thus far revealed in way of barter. This isn't Dallas, is it? Amerigo freaking Vespucci. Brilliant deduction. You must have gotten really into glue or something like that. That's the question you're really asking. No. You're not in the wilderness still. Things could be a whole lot worse. Appreciation for one's situation in a time of discomfort. It's a sign of maturity. Plus, we so seldom get to spend quality time together anymore. How do we get out of here? I could say I know just the way, but I'd hate for our relationship to take a turn for the disingenuous. And what exactly makes you think we get out of here? Something I did. So that's you, huh? Which one was gonna be? Oh, this should be interesting.
Once one finds their feet firmly planted on the path to enlightenment, it's only natural that they inspire to some personal concept of greatness. Yet the universe has rules. It has rules, and it has structure. Think of it like the yin-yang, or the equal and opposite reaction. For these concepts are based on essential knowledge. To achieve great heights, logically, one must explore the depths as well.
This is not the work of a witch. This is not the work of a devil. This is not the work of a demon. This is the work of the Lord.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Triad.
End of the road, never meant to be trod. House as a sign says beware jihad. Let yourself in, but not by the door. Fist through the glass and confess you're a bore. Darkness is a place, let me give you the tour. Come to find out, can't take anymore. Much to your anguish, yet brings me no glee. Came too close, now I'll take you down with me. Flying so true, I'm the Hindenburg. I'm the Titanic and there's an iceberg. Pilot this ship through an asteroid field. Never do I stop, never do I yield. Ejection seat has logs in its basement. Couldn't even tell you where that thing could have went. Warning lights are all smashed out. No beeping when I back up and hear me shout. No chance to rest, no way to heal. Trying to turn away, but there's a steering wheel. Mystery and danger, I have a gun to reveal. Gotta bring it down before you truly feel. Begging and pleading, want out of the steel. Clearly unmoved by your every appeal. Last ship's a train back to B-boy B. Now I'm made for this trip, so you can't come with me. Show me sex if I'm never unseen. One step closer and I'll take you down with me. Understand what it means to you be. Warn you already that I'll take you down with me. Nothing held back, you're a free boy free. Made for this trip where you can't come with me. Learning the nature of the true reality. Say it like you mean it or I'll take you down with me. Show you these sights and I'll never unsee. One step closer and I'll take you down with me. No saving face when you face reality. Learn your lessons now when you're going down with me. Deposit required to repatriate remains. Please die in a manner that doesn't leave stains. Stand in front of a firing squad. Spit in their face and curse your God. Starving yourself till you're lean and mean. Let your neck rest in the guillotine. No safe words, no bets to hedge. Tear along with a slippery ledge. Spare yourself the burdens mere mortals can't bear. Savor the moment when you dwell in despair. Can't strap yourself in cause there's no seatbelt. You know the crash is coming, most alive you felt. Follow my trails, the last thing you see before you find out that I took you down with me. That's just a claim back to freeboard free. Not made for this trip, so you can't come with me. Show me these sights and I'll never unsee. One step closer and I'll take you down with me. Learning the nature of the true reality. Say it like you mean it or I'll take you down with me. How far did you really get to go? Showing me the depths you could never know. Thinking you're down, but you're really not up. Should have been poison, can't drink from this cup. Push just touch so quick to break. Learn to survive in the mess you make. Discover aftershocks can be worse than the quake. It's a disaster that now you gotta own. Find a tornado in the eye of a cyclone. Not a single hint of sympathy from me. Told you up front that you're going down with me. It's too late, can't be what me. Couldn't learn your lesson, now you're going down with me.